Yeah, tara. So guys, kasama ko dito si Alas.
Yeah, if you see that video, go watch it now because I lost. Last time I win, right? You ready? Last time I win, right? I win in the fight, and now it's game over about me. I lost now.
This is my YouTuber. Let's go!
I am a YouTuber, guys. So be careful. I get to go in your house, bro.
No. Bro, this is Alas. This is YouTuber, right?
Yeah, I am a YouTuber, bro.
Yeah. Let's go.
Subscribe right now, guys.
Yeah, subscribe for the Alas.
Let's go, guys.
Alas, nandun yung mga gangsto. So, Tagalog kami dyan, guys. Ito kasama ko kapala si... Alas nga, di ba Alas? Ito, bata pa to. YouTube na to eh. Dapat tayo dito. Mamaya no! Hindi pa naman bukas si Kuya Tone. Tara na. Hindi tayo dyan. Sasamahin ko daw to eh. Tara guys.
Yeah, weird, bro.
Some trick seekers one.
You know, guys, I have many of money, bro.
Yeah. Kung nag-grow garden kayo, Team Jandel, like and subscribe. Team Jandel, Team Sammy, share and comment.
Okay.
Tara na. Ang lungkot ko eh. Kasi nobody likes my videos.
Now is sunny, guys.
Supportahan nyo ako guys.
It's so very hot. Look.
Let's go. So busy. Look, let's go to the second floor. But, third floor. Go.
Let's go.
Paalam ka muna kay Ate Agnes.
Pwede. Let's go, guys.
Paalam ka muna kay Ate Agnes.
Pwede po pumunta sa third floor.
Ay, huwag na dito na lang sa baba, bebe. Bawal. Huwag kayo makikita.
Yes.
Tawag. Tara na.
Guys, bro. It's so very hot here. I think we need to go just in the house, guys.
So guys, this is Alas. Say subscribe to me.
Subscribe to Yoli because he's my
Dol.
I like him, and if you don't, I get to go in your house.
Huwag lalayo, alas, ha?
Okay? So come
Ay, papauwi na kita. Yan ang kayo, magkano mainit.
Let's go in. No. There is sleeping.
sleeping, guys.
Let's go. No. Let's go sit.
Let's go, guys. It's so hot there. So we can go outside again. Let us.
Dito.
Kayo naman yung alas, ha?
Where?
Ito lang.
No. Can we sit, bro?
Yeah. Let's sit.
I look like this. Bro, it's so hot, bro.
Ito nga pala sila Chloe tsaka si Scarlett.
Guys,
Ito pa rin si Aray ko. Supportahan niyo ako dyan, guys. Bukan mo. Oo, huliin niyo to. Tawagin niyo pulis, ha. Huliin niyo to. Gigi.
no, eh.
Ama, flirt. Napilay. Ito. Tara, Alas. Tara, doon tayo sa bahay. Pipili tayo pagkain ni Mami. Joke lang, hindi ako ganun, ha.
Sorry, guys. That's I am just a idiot.
Let's go.